Learn English for real-life situations. Watch, listen, and speak naturally.
Real-life English situations, starting with a bag left in a taxi.
Hello?
Hello? Is this John? I am the passenger you just dropped off at the hotel.
Oh, hi. Yes. Did you forget something?
Yes, it is an emergency. I think I left my black bag in the back seat.
Let me pull over and check. Give me a second.
Please hurry. My passport and my wallet are inside.
Okay, yes, I see it. It fell under the seat.
Oh, thank God. Could you please bring it back to me?
Listen, I am already on the highway and I have another ride waiting.
Please, I can't fly home without my passport. I will pay you for your time and the extra trip.
Okay, don't panic. I will cancel my next ride and turn around.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I am standing at the exact same spot.
I will be there in 10 minutes. Wait for me.
I owe you my life. See you soon.
Next, can you watch my bag at the airport?
Excuse me, I need to go to the restroom. Can you watch my bag for 5 minutes?
Oh, I am sorry, but no, I can't watch your bag.
Please? The bag is very heavy. I will be quick.
I understand, but it is dangerous. You cannot leave your bags with a stranger.
It is just clothes. What is the problem?
The airport rules are very strict. Unattended bags are a security risk.
But I really need to go.
If you leave it here, airport security will take it away. You must take it with you.
Fine. I will take it to the restroom.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Now, bad sushi.
Hello. How is your food tasting?
Excuse me, I have a problem with these sushi rolls.
Oh, I am sorry. What is wrong with them?
Well, the rice is very hard and dry.
Really? Let me see.
Yes, and honestly, the fish doesn't smell fresh.
I apologize. I will take this back to the kitchen immediately.
Thank you. I can't eat this. I don't want to get sick.
Completely understandable. Would you like me to bring you a fresh roll?
No, thank you. I lost my appetite for sushi today.
Would you like to order something else, like noodles?
No, I am fine. Can you just take it off the bill, please?
Of course. I will remove it from your bill right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Can I bring you a free dessert to apologize?
Green tea would be nice. Thanks.
Next, strangers sleeping on your shoulder.
Excuse me. Sir?
Oh, what? Did I fall asleep?
Yes. Your head was resting on my shoulder.
Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. I'm just exhausted.
That is okay. But could you please lean the other way?
Yes, of course. My apologies.
Excuse me, sir. You did it again.
Oh, geez. I'm so embarrassed. I can't control it when I sleep.
I understand, but it is making me very uncomfortable.
I am really sorry. I don't have a neck pillow with me.
Well, please try to stay on your side of the armrest. You are leaning right over it.
You are right. I will lean against the window instead.
Thank you. I just need my personal space.
I completely understand. Sorry again.
Now, parent versus dog owner.
Oh, please don't pull his tail. Where are your parents?
Hey, don't yell at my son.
I didn't yell. Your son was pulling my dog's tail.
He is just playing. He loves dogs. You shouldn't bring your dog here if he is dangerous.
My dog is not dangerous, but he is not a toy. You need to ask before touching him.
He is only 5 years old. What do you expect me to do? Watch him every second?
Actually, yes. Teaching him boundaries is your job, not mine.
You dog owners are crazy. Come on, Tommy, let's go. She is not nice.
Have a great day, sir, and keep an eye on your kid.
Next, missing fries at the drive-thru.
Here's your food, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Wait, let me check the bag first.
Is everything okay?
Actually, no. My order's incomplete.
Oh, I am sorry. What are you missing?
I am missing a large fries. There's only one in the bag, but I paid for two.
Let me see your receipt, please.
Here you go.
You are absolutely right. My apologies.
That's okay. Can I get the second one now?
Yes, but we are frying a new batch. Could you please pull forward? I will bring it to your car in 2 minutes.
Sure, I will park right there.
Sorry again for the mix-up. Here's some extra ketchup for the wait.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
Now, buying a gift.
Hello. Can I help you find anything?
Hi, yes, please. I am looking for a gift for my friend.
That is nice. What kind of gift? Makeup or skincare?
Skincare. I want to buy a good moisturizer for her.
Do you know her skin type? Is it dry or oily?
I am not sure. What are your bestsellers? Can you recommend something universal?
Absolutely. This hydration cream is our #1 bestseller. It works for all skin types.
Perfect. It smells very nice. I will take it.
Would you like a gift receipt with that?
A gift receipt? What is that?
It is a receipt without the price. If she doesn't like the cream, she can exchange it.
Oh, that is a brilliant idea. Yes, please.
Great. Let's go to the cash register. Next, kid kicking your seat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes? What is it?
Your son is kicking the back of my seat. Could you ask him to stop, please?
Oh, well, he is just a child. It is a long flight and he is bored.
I understand, but I am trying to sleep. He has been kicking it for 20 minutes.
Kids will be kids. What do you want me to do? Tie him up?
No, but please control your child. This is not a playground.
Excuse me? You are being very rude to a mother.
I asked you politely. If he doesn't stop, I will call the flight attendant.
Fine. Tommy, stop kicking the seat.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Unbelievable. Some people hate children.
Now at the pharmacy.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I need something for pain. My head hurts.
Okay. Do you have a headache?
Yes, a very bad headache.
Do you have a fever? Is your body hot?
No, no fever. My temperature is normal.
Okay. You can take paracetamol.
How many pills should I take?
Take 2 pills every 4 hours.
Will this make me drowsy? Will I want to sleep?
No, this is non-drowsy. You can drive a car.
Perfect. How much is it?
It is $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
Next, freezing apartment. Hello, Anna. What is it now?
Hello, Mr. Davis. I am calling about the heating again.
I told you I will send someone tomorrow.
You said tomorrow 3 days ago. My apartment is freezing.
It is hard to find a good repairman right now. Just use some extra blankets.
No, I pay a lot of money for this apartment, and I expect everything to work.
Look, I am doing my best. You just need to wait a little longer.
Listen to me carefully. If the heating is not fixed by tomorrow morning,
What?
I will hire a repairman myself, and I will deduct the cost from next month's rent.
Wait, you can't do that.
Yes, I can. It is my right as a tenant.
Okay, fine. The repairman will be there in 1 hour.
Perfect. I will be waiting for him. Goodbye.
Now, locked inside my apartment? Hello, Anna.
Mr. Davis, please help me. It is an emergency.
What is wrong? Are you okay?
I am okay, but I am locked in my apartment. I can't get out.
What do you mean? Just turn the key.
I tried. The key is stuck and it won't turn.
Oh no. Did you push the door hard?
Yes, I pushed and pulled. The lock is completely broken.
Okay, please calm down.
I can't calm down. I am already late for work. What if there is a fire?
You are safe. I will call an emergency locksmith right now.
Can he open it from the outside?
Yes, he has special tools. He will be there in 15 minutes.
Please tell him to hurry. I feel trapped.
Sit on the sofa and drink some water. I will text you when he arrives.
Okay. Thank you. Please hurry.
Next, public transport problem.
Ouch, excuse me.
Oh, sorry, it is really crowded in here.
Yes, it is. You keep hitting me with your backpack.
I said I'm sorry. There is no space to move.
Could you please take it off and put it on the floor?
Put it on the floor, but the floor's dirty. I will just stand still.
You just hit me again. Please take off the backpack.
Look, lady, I have a lot of heavy things inside.
It doesn't matter. It is common courtesy on public transport. You are taking up the space of 2 people.
Fine, I am taking it off.
Thank you. Please put it between your legs.
Yeah, whatever.
I appreciate it. Now we all have some personal space.
Now, awkward shopping situation.
Hello, welcome. Are you looking for anything specific today?
Hi. No, thank you. I'm just looking around.
We have a huge sale today. Let me show you our new dresses.
They are nice, but I don't need a dress today.
Well, how about these jeans? Feel the fabric? You should try them on.
I appreciate it, but I don't want to try anything on right now.
Are you sure? I can start a fitting room for you, just in case.
Please stop. I am just browsing.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to give you some options.
I know, thank you, but I prefer to shop in peace.
I understand.
I will let you know if I need help.
No problem. My name is Mark. I will be right over there.
Got it. Thanks, Mark.
Next, almost hit by a car.
Hey, watch where you are going. Are you blind?
Are you crazy? You came out of nowhere.
What? I am on the crosswalk. You didn't even slow down.
You stepped right in front of my car. You were looking at your phone.
No, I wasn't. I have the right of way. Look at the pedestrian light. It is green.
Oh, I didn't see the light.
You almost hit me. You need to pay attention to the road.
I know. I am sorry. The sun was in my eyes. Are you okay?
I am fine, but my heart is beating so fast. You scared me to death.
I apologize. It was my fault. I will be more careful.
You better be. Drive safe.
Now, accept a compliment. Good morning, Anna. Wow, I love your dress. You look great today.
Oh, this old thing? I bought it on sale for $10.
Why do you say that? You don't need to excuse yourself.
What do you mean?
In this country, when someone gives you a compliment, you just say, thank you.
Oh, it is a cultural habit. Okay, let me try again.
Anna, that dress is beautiful.
Thank you so much. You just made my day.
Much better. See, that was easy.
Yes, and I really like your jacket, by the way.
Oh, thank you. My wife bought it for me.
It looks very nice on you.
Thanks. Have a great day at work.
You too.
Next, hair in my food?
Excuse me, could you come here for a second?
Yes, ma'am. Is everything okay?
No, it is not. I just found a long hair in my pasta.
Oh, my goodness. Let me see. I am so sorry. That is unacceptable.
Yes, it is disgusting. Look, I have blonde hair, and this hair is black.
I deeply apologize. I will take this plate back to the kitchen immediately.
Please do.
Would you like me to bring you a fresh plate?
Honestly, no. I completely lost my appetite.
I understand. I will take it off the bill, of course.
Thank you.
Can I offer you a free dessert or a coffee to make up for it?
Just a coffee, please. I don't want to eat anything else.
I will bring it right away. Sorry again. Now, split the bill. That was a great dinner. Here is the bill. Let's just split it 50-50. It is easier.
Actually, I only had a salad and water.
My total is about $15.
Come on, don't be cheap. It is just a few extra dollars.
It is not a few dollars. You had a steak and 3 beers. Your total is around $80.
Usually, friends just split the bill. It is polite.
I am not paying for your expensive dinner. I will pay for exactly what I ordered.
Fine. You are making this so complicated.
No, I am just being fair. I will ask the waiter for separate checks.
Whatever. Next time I will eat alone.
Good idea.
Next, fake hotel smoking fee.
Hi, I would like to check out, please. Room 302?
Good morning. Let me check the system. Housekeeping just checked your room. Unfortunately, we cannot return your $250 security deposit.
What? Why not? I left the room perfectly clean.
Housekeeping reported a strong smell of smoke in your room. We are a strict non-smoking hotel.
Excuse me? I don't even smoke. This is a false accusation.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but we have to charge you a deep cleaning fee. It is our policy.
No, you are not charging me anything. I want to see the manager, and I want to see proof.
The manager is not here right now.
Listen to me carefully. If you charge my card, I will dispute the charge with my bank. This feels like a scam.
Let me call housekeeping again to double check. Oh, my apologies. There was a mistake with the room number. It was room 305, not 302.
I thought so. I expect my full deposit refunded right now.
Yes, ma'am. The deposit has been released. Have a safe trip.
Now, talking about salary, I heard you got a new job. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am very happy.
It is a big company. How much is your salary?
They pay me well. The job is great.
But exactly how much do you make?
I prefer not to discuss my salary.
Why not? Is it a secret?
It is just a personal rule. I keep my finances private.
Oh, I am sorry. I didn't mean to be rude.
It's okay. No problem.
So, what do you do at the new job?
I am a manager. It is very interesting.
That sounds nice.
Yes, let's talk about something else. How are you?
Finally, that's my parking spot.
Excuse me. Hello.
Yes? Can I help you?
I think you parked in my spot.
Oh, really? Is this private parking?
Yes, it is. This is a reserved spot.
I am so sorry. I didn't see the sign.
The sign is right there on the wall. It has my apartment number on it.
I thought this was visitor parking. My mistake.
Visitor parking is on the other side of the building.
I apologize. I will move my car right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I just came back from work and I need to park.
I completely understand. I am leaving now.
No problem. Have a good day.
Which situation was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.